spinning up there, then we'll be able to do something a little bit more interesting. Yeah. Just get myself a bit sorted out here. Yeah. Anyways, I want to say as a little bit of a as a prelude to the invitation that. First of all, it's a very big honor for me to be here as an architect and festival director, opening up what is essentially an academic conference. So I'm actually not an academic, and I told the people who invited me that I will not be able to give a typical academic speech. And in fact, for us right now, with the festival, the Transmediale Festival, which is Berlin's festival for art and digital culture, this takes place in the first week of February. So I'm on a little bit of borrowed time right now because my great team is working sort of 24/7 right now preparing the festival. So essentially, I shouldn't even really be here right now, and but I couldn't resist the opportunity to get together with such an amazing group of people, and combine that with my own personal interest in say the cultural media landscape of Italy. So I'm particularly interested also in having a wide-ranging exchange with you, and I'll be participating also in the panel discussion this evening. And since I've got the honor and the pleasure of being the kickoff speaker for the event today, I felt that it's a little bit my role to primarily to ask some questions. So to ask some questions which we should think about and explore during the next couple of days. And I was going to do that, or I will attempt to do that on the example of the project, the theme that we're exploring for the upcoming festival, which is under the title Responsibility. And of course, this word, or this word construct, responsibility, is a bit of a game. Let me see if this thing works. Whoops. Okay. Wow. Might function. So the resolution is a bit funny there, and I found that it matched very much to the direction of what this conference is going about. We're dealing with a scenario where we have to retool our ability to deal with certain kinds of, let's say, societal constructs. We're here on a mission, I suppose, to set up a new idea about curriculum that somehow has to deal with media and digital culture, digital society. And we ask ourselves sort of like, what is that? And what is that especially in a place like Italy, which has such a unique kind of media landscape, which is at the one hand, in terms of the artistic scene, incredibly sharp and vibrant, with probably one of the sharpest and most interesting hacktivist communities anywhere in the world. At the same time, on the other end of the spectrum, a very traditional and perhaps maybe 19th century academic view about art and culture in general. So and I think what'll be interesting to talk about today is how this balance of extremes happens in Italy, and how we can define perhaps new forms of practice to deal with these issues of kind of historical memory. And the talk that I'm going to give today, or what I wanted to discuss, I titled "Don't Think, Just Do," and I put the "don't" in brackets. And this